The announcement of the 2023 Tesla Model 3, one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2023, has shocked the entire EV industry. The Model 3 is ready to further disrupt the EV market with its stealth form, outstanding range, and cutting-edge technology. But before we go any further, subscribe and smash the like button to be entered into a giveaway for $200 in Bitcoin. Let's move on now. The 2023 Model 3 first resembles its predecessors in a remarkable way. Yet if you look closely, there are a few significant distinctions. One change is the front fascia's new, more obnoxious design, which includes a grille with somewhat wider and sharper angled apertures. The car now has a more contemporary and streamlined appearance thanks to the freshly created headlamps. The Model 3's interior is equally stunning as before. The uncomplicated dashboard, which has a large touchscreen display and controls almost all of the car's capabilities, is the first thing you'll notice. The interior is open and roomy, and the seats are supportive and comfy. The Model 3 shares a number of cutting-edge safety technologies with other Tesla vehicles, including automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The 2023 Model 3's range is one of its most intriguing aspects. Tesla claims that the battery technology in the car has substantially improved, enabling it to go up to 350 miles on a single charge. Compared to the previous model, which had a range of about 250 miles, this is a significant improvement. The Model 3 is faster than any other vehicle and has a longer range. The automobile can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds thanks to its dual motor setup. It goes without saying that the Model 3's Autopilot technology must be discussed in detail for the discussion to be complete. The Model 3 continues Tesla's tradition of being a leader in autonomous driving innovation. The vehicle is equipped with the most recent version of Tesla's Autopilot technology, which performs functions like autonomous lane changes and lane centering, as well as allowing for on- and off-ramp driving. The Model 3 is arguably one of the most advanced self-driving cars on the market right now, even though complete autonomy is still some time off. The 2023 Model 3's regenerative braking technology is a crucial component. When you remove the accelerator, the car's motors will automatically slow down the vehicle while using the kinetic energy to replenish the battery. By decreasing brake wear and tear, this not only increases the vehicle's range, but also lowers maintenance needs. You can quickly charge your car thanks to the Tesla Supercharger network, which has more than 25,000 stations globally and works with the Model 3. By charging your automobile to 80% of its capacity in roughly 30 minutes using a supercharger, you can easily and quickly get back on the road. The Model 3 offers Level 2 charging, which enables you to charge your car at home or at any public charging station in addition to the supercharger network. One of the Model 3's most noteworthy qualities is its range. One of the most effective electric vehicles now on the market, the Model 3 has a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. This is partly due to Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, which combines high-density cells with cutting-edge thermal management strategies to maximize energy storage and efficiency. The Model 3 has a remarkable range, is quick, and is responsive. The vehicle's dual motor configuration and lightning-fast acceleration allow it to reach 60 miles per hour in less than 3.5 seconds. The Model 3 is hence not only efficient, but also a ton of pleasure to drive. The Autopilot feature is a major selling point for the Model 3. Tesla spent years developing systems for autonomous driving, and the result is the Model 3. The automobile can operate autonomously in a variety of circumstances, such as stop-and-go traffic, the motorway, and even parking, thanks to its sophisticated sensors, cameras, and computer systems. Even though the Model 3's Autopilot technology isn't yet entirely hands-free, it is unquestionably one of the most sophisticated driver aid systems now available. The Model 3 dramatically lowers stress while driving on the motorway and makes it much more fun with features like automatic lane changes and the ability to maneuver on and off ramps. The Model 3 also performs superbly when it comes to charging. The Model 3 can be rapidly and easily charged at any of the more than 25,000 stations across the world thanks to its link to Tesla's Supercharger network. By charging your automobile to 80% of its capacity in roughly 30 minutes using a supercharger, you can easily and quickly get back on the road. The Model 3 offers Level 2 charging, which enables you to charge your car at home or at any public charging station in addition to the supercharger network. By using Level 2 charging, which can fully charge your car over the course of an entire night, you may start each day with a fully charged battery and lots of range. One of the most secure vehicles on the road today is the Model 3. The Model 3 receives some of the top safety ratings on the market thanks to its cutting-edge safety systems, which include automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. You'll feel secure and in control while operating a Model 3 on public roads, whether you're cruising down the motorway or negotiating small-town streets. The Model 3 can travel up to 350 miles on a single charge, as I already said. This is due to the advanced battery technology used by Tesla, which includes of high-density cells and a thermal management system that maintains the battery at the ideal temperature for maximum effectiveness and performance. The range of the Model 3 is remarkable, and not just on paper. Also, it is quite useful in actual driving circumstances. You might be able to go a full week without charging your car if your daily commute is 50 miles round trip, for instance. The supercharger network also makes it simple to quickly refuel your car and resume driving if you do need to take a longer road trip. The performance of the Model 3 is yet another great feature. The automobile can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds thanks to its dual motor setup. The Model 3 is now remarkable for an electric vehicle and on par with many high-performance sports cars. The Model 3 is therefore not just quick in a straight line. During driving, it is incredibly nimble and sensitive. The car drives like a dream over congested city streets or meandering country roads thanks to its low center of gravity and accurate suspension arrangement. Of course, the Autopilot system is one of the most fascinating aspects of the Model 3. Driving is safer and more pleasurable thanks to this technology, which uses a combination of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to monitor the area around the automobile. When Autopilot is activated, the car may steer, accelerate, and brake on its own, greatly reducing the stress of long-distance driving. Tesla's complete self-driving technology, which aims to one day enable the car to move entirely independently, is even more amazing than Autopilot. FSD is evidence of Tesla's commitment to extending the possibilities for electric vehicles, even though it is still in development and not yet accessible to the general public. The Model 3 shines in its charging capabilities, which is another area. Despite the fact that the supercharger network is certainly remarkable, it's important to remember that the car can also be charged using Level 2 chargers, which are significantly more prevalent and can be located at many public charging stations. For its future Tesla semi-truck, Tesla has also created a brand new charging protocol called the Megacharger. Even if the Model 3 doesn't use the Megacharger, it's critical to remember that Tesla is continuously testing the limits of what is practical for charging electric automobiles. The superb safety features of the Model 3 must also be emphasized. The car performed admirably in crash tests performed by organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The car's active safety measures, which can fully avoid collisions, are possibly even more astonishing. For instance, the car's autonomous emergency braking system can spot impending collisions and immediately apply the brakes to lessen or prevent the damage. Overall, the 2023 Tesla Model 3 is an electric car that raises the bar for efficiency, performance, and safety. The Model 3 is not only a terrific automobile for people who care about the environment, it's also a remarkable car for everyone who likes cutting-edge technology and incredible performance thanks to its revolutionary battery technology, astonishing acceleration, and autopilot system. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, see you later.